Hello, so today's project will be to make those little cluster, put the pieces all together, what we can use for them, and how it's made. It's pretty simple, but such a great addition for junk journals or journals. Really pretty to add up on pockets. Okay, let's get started. So what can we use for clusters? So we can use basically anything you got, from old clothes to really anything, old cushion covers, bed sheets, anything really. So I got those leftover fabrics. Those are like old scarves. Um, those are like for cakes, to put cakes inside boxes. So really anything you have, any kind of fabric. I also use leftover lace. Those are new, but it's really cheap lace, this one, but it's really nice. It works really good with for clusters. Those were samples of curtains and carpets and things like that. So I got this from a free cycle website. So anything really that you have, really old clothes will do perfectly fine. So yeah, this, and of course you need buttons. You need, or you can even use without it. If you have a beautiful fabric, just cut a small shape and put it on top. You can use these as well. Those are like the one that you iron on the clothes. So I bought a bundle of this. So yeah, let's get started. And then as well, sorry for the string, you can use anything you have as well. Again, the choice is yours. I've got this one. I've got this glittery. I've got hemp strings as well. Those are like leftover cuts from previous signatures. I've got this one as well. I mean, really anything, even the sewing, basic sewing string that you have, so this will do. Anything that you want, the choice is yours. So I'm gonna just cut pieces and bits, and yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so it's a bit clearer. I did cut a bit of pieces and bits. So I'm gonna start with the string and see. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them together, pieces and bits, and it's good to fray out the fabric a bit. I think it gives a bit more texture to it, and it brings really a bit. I think it brings like more charm to it. Okay. Okay, just gonna tie it up now. Okay, so there's one. I'll do a couple and show you the end result. Okay, so this is what I came up with. This is where it's left from, what I originally started with. So there you go. As you can see, it's really just put each fabric and lace and pieces and bits one on top of each other and just sew it. It's just a great addition, I find, on the pocket, to put on top of it. Basically, my friend gifted me those ones that I started with, and the one that I put on my bee journal, she actually gifted it to me. And I thought, let's give it a try and see what I come up with. And this is the end result. So really, I think this is such a beautiful little bit on journal. And you know, it's just such a great way as well of recycling everything and making up with every single thing you got, like the small bits and pieces that are left, you know, very often from the various projects. You know, I think this is a great way of using them. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna show you basically what I've done on my previous journal. So this journal that I'm making now, and this is the one I choose from my friend. She's so talented, bless her. So yeah, she gifted me this. I find this really nice, you know, like on the pocket. It's a great addition. This one would be nice. You can imagine this as a beautiful pocket or envelope even. It's just such a pretty way of decorating things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It really is nothing too complicated. Just take every single piece and bits that you got and put them together. You know, just a bit of buttons and even anything else. Like my friend actually used. What is it? Yeah, so my friend actually used piece of fabric with butterfly on it. So I guess this can be done with anything really. I mean, the choice is yours and whatever you have available as scraps.